Well, hello, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. We're doing something really yummy today. You caught me already starting here. What this is Mesquite Smoked Chicken Enchiladas. You can't go bad on that. We smoke the chicken on our Traeger barbecue. I don't know if you people have ever used that, but they are absolutely wonderful. And what I have going on in here is, of course, my chicken that I shredded. And then I have cilantro, onions, garlic, cheese, cheddar cheese, the Mexican cheese, and chilies, diced mild chilies, cumin, and chili powder. And we're gonna roll these up. There's always a trick to these. I don't know how the Mexicans do it so fast and make it so easy. And then when you put it in your Dutch oven, you wanna make sure that the seam side is down. And I've gone ahead and put a little bit of oil in the bottom of this and went all around the edges to make sure that it's coated well, just to make sure that it doesn't stick. After I get these all put in here, then I'm going to put enchilada sauce over the top. We will take it outside in our Dutch oven cooking area and cook it for about an hour at about 350, and we'll see you in a little bit. Great, thank you. All right, as you can see, I got all of my enchiladas rolled and put in our Dutch oven. And now I'm going to pour our enchilada sauce over them. And this is a mild enchilada sauce. It is very, very tasty. And these are going to have a little bit of a bite to them, a kick to them, but Mexican food, Hispanic food is. And of course, we love the Mexican cheese. It is the Queso Fresco, which is wonderful. It's a nice creamy cheese. You can use it in any of your Mexican dishes. All right, this is going to be awful yummy, and we'll cook this for about an hour at 350. Boy, you can't beat this. We have the most incredible, beautiful area where we live. The mountains are beautiful. The scenery is beautiful. And my goodness, the temperature is perfect and the wind's not blowing. And of course, our enchiladas got done. It took about an hour, about 350, and they turned out beautiful, as you can see. Well, as you can see, our enchiladas got done. They look absolutely beautiful. Just remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. We love some feedback and comments. And with this, what we like to do is we put a little bit of grated cheddar cheese, fresh cilantro, and thinly sliced little red peppers. Those are really great little things. And also my homemade fresh salsa. We've garnished that on top, and for a side, what we like to do is refried beans, spicy refried beans, and Mexican cheese, which we will be doing those recipes in upcoming videos. So please watch for those. This morning I kind of rushed through my my preparation and how we did things and my ingredients. For 8 enchiladas, what we like to do is 4 to 5 cups of diced chicken, a half of a medium-sized onion diced, 2 to 4 garlic cloves, fresh cilantro, about a cup, and then of course I like to put a teaspoon of chili powder, cumin, diced green chilies, and of course cheddar cheese, about a cup of cheddar cheese, and we really like the Mexican cheese, Fresco Mexican cheese. You know, when I said cinnamon, that was a little bit of a goof, because Hispanic dishes, they do use a lot of cinnamon in Hispanic dishes, but that is not in this today. But you mix that all up together, you put that on your flour tortilla, in the middle, roll it up, and put it in your Dutch oven. You put the side down, remember that, and then you pour your enchilada sauce over it. And also we have a website. It's WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com. If you go to that website, you can get our free guide and free recipe book. Just remember our motto, great food shared with family and friends equals quality time. Great times. And here's to all of our viewers, a salute to our viewers. Thank you for joining us today. We'll be seeing you again. Thank you.